I make hundreds of thousands of dollars yearly from creating meme coins instead of trading them. And the truth is that you will make way more money from creating coins than trading because you have nothing to lose when it comes to creating the actual coins. So in this video, I will show you A to Z my strategy on how I find narratives and then how I make coins out of it, all live on camera right now. I do not sell anything or promote anything. I actually make money from the business model. Now, I make a shit ton of money from launching coins. I also have a couple friends and people in my community are printing from launching. And here's the exact breakdown of what usually happens coming into a launch. Most of these coins, right, they do one thing. They pump and then they dump, okay? Let me show you a couple examples like this coin, okay? It pumped and then it dumped here, here, here. The dev sold his supply 3 different times and he clipped like basically all these buyers right here. And that's exactly how devs are becoming so rich. They're taking advantage of all the attention from the narrative. They're launching the coin which costs nothing, so they have nothing to lose. The worst that can happen on your coin is if no one buys it and you were just wasting your time. But yeah, anyways, it pumps and then they sold their supply, and that's how devs are making 6 figs per month, okay? So in this video, I will show you my strategy on exactly how I dev meme coins live, okay? I am not a course seller, I am not a guru, I am just like you, but I do this for a living. That's it. Let me show you how right now live. And by the way, guys, this is all for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. I am not a financial advisor, so please, bro, before the FBI kicks down my door, just keep that in mind. Guys, I'm just capping. Now, first of all, bro, head over to coinlaunch.io because here is where we will be launching our meme coin, okay, to reach a bunch of people. And the reason why this launchpad is really good kept by a bunch of devs in the community is because the coins are being launched on Raydium and not on Pump.Fun. Pump.Fun coins go nowhere, they get no buyers, and it's over competitive. But coins on Raydium, bro, they do insane, they do wonders. You guys will see when I do a live launch, it gets a bunch of attention and possibly a bunch of buyers. Like, look at this, the dev clips so many times on this coin, like it's insane. Now, that's why we launch here, okay? To make a coin, you could either create one from scratch, whether you have a narrative in mind or anything, you can make it here, just invent a name, symbol, and image is as simple as that, or you can vamp meme coins. Vamping is the same thing as copying, okay? Keep that in mind, it's the same thing. So when people say vamping, it's the same thing as copying trending coins. And the reason why this method is the best, I've made all my money from copying coins, is because every single meme coin here that you're seeing is actually proven to go viral because it's already viral on Pump.Fun right now, or it went viral before, which means we are going to be copying a coin here back to Raydium to capitalize on that narrative on our copy to get buyers to buy our coin. And that's exactly how we are going to make money from copying coins as devs. But anyways, guys, let's make some money, bro. Let's try to make money at least by deving coins live. I will show you every step of the way. Trust me, bro, it's pretty simple. You guys will see, okay? Don't trip out. So connect your phantom white, right? And let's copy a coin, right? When I copy coins, I just go for a random one and I try it out. I'm gonna go for the upwards. I chose it completely from randomness. Click on copy to Raydium. Your phantom will show up. Ignore that block, okay? It's normal. Every launchpad will get this warning, right? So it's pretty like normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be minted but not live yet. Minted on chain. You guys will see. Boom, and if you go on scan, you guys can see the proof that it's minted. But yeah, let's create the liquidity pool. Here's really important, but it's easy, okay? Just follow along. We're creating the pool for Raydium, like that it can go to Raydium and not Pump.Fun. That's the whole point. It will go here. For the amount of coins, click on 90% of the allocation supply. For the dev buy, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. So 0.3 it is. You are not going to lose this, okay, by the way. You will get it back, so it's not a big deal. Just don't trip out. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Click on create pool. Ignore that block button. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, and then click on confirm. And then the coin will be officially created and live. Well, yeah. Boom, click on refresh, and now the coin is live. People can actually see your coin and buy in, and yeah, that's cool now, okay? So let's see how much we're up already. Click on refresh, check our profits. Oh my god, we're already up 200 bucks. That's a great sign that people like the narrative that we copied. Now go on your trading platform, go find your coin, go on DexScreener, go wherever you use your meme coin trading platform on, and go find your coin. Bang, it's already pumping. Wait, we might be, if we're up like 500 bucks, I think. This thing is pumping, guys, and that's insane. I'm kinda used to it, bro, but the dopamine is insane. It never gets old. It's pumping. Come on, pump even higher, bro. And guys, now just let your coin pump, rack in those profits, and yeah, I'm gonna be right back to cash out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, this piece of shit is actually pumping. That's insane, guys. This is considered a semi-viral coin, okay, not that much, but we're maybe up a couple thousand if I had to guess, It's not a big deal. Come back to coinlaunch.io to actually cash out. Click on refresh and we're up 2.7k, guys. Now look, to actually cash it out into your Phantom wallet because it is not realized yet, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then it should be fully cashed out. Bang! I just cashed out in front of your face, and that's exactly how I did Memecoins daily. Now, if you open your Phantom wallet, wait, what? Bang! 2.7k straight inside your Phantom wallet, well, my Phantom wallet. And yeah, guys, it's legit. I do this shit every single day. And yeah, bro, if you want to start diving, it's up to you. Coinlaunch.io will be linked down below. Or you can go on Google, type in coinlaunch.io, bro, like and subscribe, and stay consistent. Just launch coins over and over again. Peace out.